Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to speed up Google Chrome step by step in 2026. If Chrome feels slow, lags when opening tabs, or takes too long to load websites, there are several ways to improve its performance. Let's get started. First, check your system resources. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Look at CPU, memory, and disk usage. Close unnecessary tabs or background apps that are consuming too much memory. Next, disable or remove unnecessary extensions. Click the three dots, go to More Tools greater than Extensions, and turn off or remove extensions you don't use. Heavy extensions can slow down Chrome significantly. Now, clear browsing data, go to Settings, greater than Privacy and Security, greater than Clear Browsing Data. Select All Time, then clear cached images, cookies, and site data. Old cache or corrupted files can make Chrome lag. Another step is to disable hardware acceleration if it's causing issues. Go to Settings greater than System, toggle off Use Hardware Acceleration when available, and restart Chrome. This fixes conflicts with your GPU that may slow down browsing. Make sure Chrome is up to date. Click the three dots, go to Help greater than About Google Chrome, and install updates. Updated versions include performance improvements and bug fixes. Check for malware or unwanted software. Go to Settings. Greater than Reset and Cleanup greater than Cleanup Computer, then click Find. Chrome will detect programs that interfere with browser speed and remove them. If performance is still slow, reset Chrome settings. Go to Settings, greater than Reset, and Cleanup greater than Restore settings to original defaults. This disables extensions and clears temporary misconfigurations without deleting bookmarks or passwords. Finally, for advanced users, consider using Chrome's built-in experimental features. Go to Chrome://flags and search for back-forward cache or parallel downloading. Enabling these features can improve loading speed and responsiveness. And that's how you speed up Google Chrome step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Chrome optimization tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.